Today it's raining a lot, and it's been raining for several days, and it didn't stop yet, and it's so amazing. And
just have a look here, it's all over the water.
And water is like flooded everywhere, and there's foggy outside, and it's like so much rain. It's been like 4 in the morning until night, and it's been a lot of flooded water, and it's just very amazing. And it's been just for several days, and it didn't stop. Oman is like very cold today. And yeah, so this whole place is flooded, and it's just the whole place is flooded with water, and this has never happened in Oman. And you can see the first step is flooded, and it's very amazing, mashallah. And right now I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna go upstairs, and I'm gonna show you what's it like on the roof from upstairs. So here we are upstairs, and I got my umbrella because it was raining. And you can see over there's the truck, and every single car is like the tires are down in the deep water, and you can see, yeah, it's just the first time ever in Oman this has happened, so it's just very amazing. So right now we are on our street, and we will be going to the main road, and we'll be seeing what's the weather there. So it's actually very amazing. It's very cold for the first time, and here we are going to the main road, and it's like amazing. It's very cold outside, and there's a lot of water. It's everywhere flooded, and there's obviously school, and everything is flooded. As you can see, the street, the main road is very flooded, and it's just a lot of water everywhere, and this has never happened in Oman before. And it's very cold, mashallah, and I really also want snow in Oman, so I hope next year or this year it would be snow, because like snow is my favorite. Like, it's amazing. And as you can see, there's flood everywhere, there's water everywhere, and even like the cars like tires are like under the water. So right now I opened the window, and so you guys can hear the beautiful sound and see everything. And I love the sound so much. I hope you guys too. So as you can see, the whole place is flooded, and as you can see, the siren, the police is alerted by this situation because it's flooded everywhere. So yeah, and as you can guys see here, the wind is that much that the trash can is going everywhere. Like, the trash can is sliding. And as you can see, oh, the trash can just fell. The trash can just fell because this much wind. Wow. And right now we are on top of a bridge, and you can see everything from down there, and you can also hear the siren of the police. So yeah, this is an amazing view. So now, as you can see, there's a police car over there because it's very dangerous, and any of the cars can, slip or turn around or anything. And we're waiting for we're waiting at the signal, and yeah, as you can see, we're waiting, and you can see like there's police like right there. As you can see in the right corner, there's police, and there's police everywhere, and we should be going home now. And now we're going home, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe, and share, and yeah, I hope you liked it. Bye.